Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are checking out the best action camera that helps you capture every exciting moment with amazing detail and smooth video. If you love adventure and content creation, this one is worth seeing. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick look at the OurLife MTR40 action camera. This compact camera is designed for people who want to record action, travel, and daily moments in high quality. Whether you are outdoors or underwater, the OurLife MTR40 action camera is built to keep up with your lifestyle. Now let's talk about what makes it special. The OurLife MTR40 action camera can record up to 5K at 30 frames per second. This means your videos look sharp, clear, and full of life. It also gives you multiple resolution options, so you can switch from cinematic shots to slow-motion clips depending on your needs. Another great feature is the high-quality optical glass lens with a large f2.8 aperture. This helps capture more light and detail, so your videos look bright and clear even in less ideal lighting. To keep your footage smooth, the OurLife MTR40 action camera comes with 6-axis electronic image stabilization. This helps reduce shaking and makes your videos look steady, even when you are moving fast or recording action scenes. If you love underwater adventures, you will enjoy the waterproof case that lets you shoot up to 30 meters deep. It also adds extra protection against drops, making the camera reliable in tough environments. The wide 170-degree field of view allows you to capture more of the scene in every shot. This is perfect for landscapes, group shots, and action moments where you want everything in frame. And when you need to get closer, the 5x digital zoom helps you focus on distant subjects without losing too much detail. Using the camera is simple thanks to the 2.0-inch IPS touchscreen. It makes changing settings and reviewing your footage quick and easy. You also get a 2.4 GHz remote control, so you can start recording or take photos from a distance without touching the camera. In terms of design, the OurLife MTR40 action camera is small, lightweight, and easy to carry. It feels solid in hand and is built to handle outdoor use, making it a great companion for travel and adventure. In real life, this camera is perfect for biking, hiking, swimming, or even just recording daily moments. It helps you capture memories without worrying about stability or durability. This camera is best for travelers, vloggers, sports lovers, and anyone who wants an easy way to record high-quality videos anywhere. So, if you are looking for a powerful and compact action camera, this might be the one for you. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more awesome products. See you in the next video.